Fire protection is about more than products. It's about the right solution for the right application at the right time. At FireSealsDirect, we supply quality fire door and fire stopping products to installers, contractors, and the fire safety industry across the UK. But more importantly, we supply peace of mind. The products you need are ready when you need them. Behind every order is a team of experienced, knowledgeable, and passionate people. Our customer service and sales teams understand the pressures of working on site, the importance of getting fire protection right first time. No call centres, no guesswork, just clear advice from people who know the products and the regulations. Whether it's product selection, technical guidance, or last-minute requirements, help is always on hand. Ordering with FireSealsDirect is designed to be simple and stress-free. A clear, easy-to-use website that lets you find what you need quickly, or open a trade account for flexibility, bulk discounts, and dedicated support. From fire doors to fire stopping systems, our products are trusted in real-world environments where safety, compliance, and timing are critical. FireSealsDirect, the right products, the right advice, right when you need it.